Well, do they show you how to drop it like it's hot?
If I dropped it, I couldn't pick it back up.
You with your own crown.
Have you ever been with a queen?
No, no, I'll start today.
Give me a kiss. Now, come on, let's do this right. Let's do it like we normally do. Come on.
What we normally do.
No. I don't even have sex anymore.
What?
Because I'm afraid we might procreate. So here we are at 100 episodes, and you guys have been on that journey with us. Come on, Coco.
How excited are you, Chloe?
Where's your nanny?
She's bringing up the rear.
Come on, Mom. All right, we've got a lot that has to be done.
Yes, we did.
Well, do they show you how to drop it like it's hot?
If I dropped it, I could.
Pictures of the Miss Florida USA. Where's your nanny?
She's bringing up the rear.
Come on, Mom. We've got a lot that has to be done.
Yes, we do.
A lot. What do you possibly need?
Can we go to the pool?
Honey, Papa has to work.
That's boring.
That's boring.
I'm going to the pool.
We recently became the new directors of the Miss Florida USA pageant. Just arrived in Tampa for the show.
To say we're stressed is an understatement. I need everyone to pitch in order to make this thing a success.
We've got to get upstairs, get dressed. Mama, you go to your room, take a nap while we're doing our stuff.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
There's a casino 5 miles from here.
What?
And I'm going. So you please take my luggage to my room, and I'll be back in a